The B1 search functionality is a part of the Boyum B1 Usability Package. It provides a more enhanced search feature for SAP Business One. You can search for pieces of information on marketing documents, custom queries, master datas, and much more in your system. You have the ability to customize the search criteria by creating a custom SQL script to refine the search results for your specific needs. Let's begin by navigating to Administration, Add-ons, B1 Usability Package, B1 Usability Config to verify that the B1 search module is active. In the B1 Usability Configuration window, you will need to make sure that the checkbox next to Use B1 Search is checked. If this box is unchecked, then the B1 search feature will not be active. Now that we have verified that the B1 search module is active, let's navigate to Administration, Add-ons, B1 Usability Package, Module Configuration, B1 Search Configuration to demonstrate the configuration process. On the B1 Search Configuration screen, you can specify how many search results are displayed per category in the Search Result Limit field. Note, this search limitation does not apply to custom search configurations. If you select the Search Customization option, you can view each search option or create your own custom search. The default search options that have been created by default are numbered SD1 to SD19. In the code field will be the numbering convention that is associated with each different search option. Below that in the name field is where you can designate a name to the search function, and it will also display in the drop-down selection under the search button. Moving on to the group name field, this value corresponds to the group header in the search results. Next, we will look at the user field. This is where you can specify which users have access to the search option. You can select users by clicking on the lookup box next to the field. You also have the ability to include or exclude the specific users from the search option by selecting the corresponding radio button. So for example, if we select the users Bill and Brad from the user lookup and we have the Include Users radio button selected, only those two users will be able to use this custom search function when using the B1 search module. When the Exclude Users radio button is selected, both Bill and Brad will be the only users that cannot use this custom search function, while every other user in the system will be able to. If you would like to enter in specific remarks about the search option, you can do so in the Remarks field. Now let's take a look at creating a custom search option. The SQL field is where you can enter in a custom query to search from. If you would like to search from any of the fields in the SQL query, you will need to add a where statement with the field you would like to search from, as well as the search term function. Doing so will allow you to search the query for a value in that specific field. If you did not put the search term function in the query, then the results will display the full query instead of limiting it to what you searched for. Up in the results string field is where you can enter which fields you would like displayed on the search results. So for example, with this custom search function, it will display the business partner name as well as the account balance associated with the business partner. If you would like to assign a particular function to the golden arrow for the B1 search result, you can set up a universal function, assign it to the custom search, and populate the universal function with a value from the UF string field. So in this example, this universal function will display the business partner master data, and the UF string will populate the card code of the business partner related to the search in the code field. If you don't want a search to be active, you can uncheck the active checkbox so the search is no longer taken into consideration. At the bottom right of the screen, you can choose to either import or export any custom searches. Now let's move on to the actual usage of the B1 search feature. The B1 search bar will appear either at the top of your main menu if you are using SAP Cockpits, or it will appear at the bottom of your main menu if you are not using SAP Cockpits. In the search bar, you can type in the value you want to search for and click enter, or you can select the arrow next to the search button to refine your search for a specific default category. After you click enter, you will be taken to the B1 search screen. It may take some time to load all of your results depending upon how many categories you have active. Once your search results load, there will be two tabs on the B1 search screen. Under the General tab will be your search results for all the categories you have active. At the top will be the value you are searching for. You also have the ability to show only the data that has been created by your user with the Only My Data checkbox, and you can view any closed documents as well by selecting the Also Closed Data checkbox. If you would like to filter or sort the results in any way, you can do so by right-clicking the result header at the top to display the various sorting and filtering options. The results for your search will be broken up into each search category. If you would like to minimize a certain category, you can select the arrow next to the category name to do so. Furthermore, you have the ability to right-click any of the search results to be shown additional options for the search result, such as creating a new marketing document or opening the master data record. Next, if you select the golden arrow next to the search result, you will be taken to the corresponding area in the system. For example, if we select the golden arrow next to the custom search that was previously created, it will take us to the business partner master record for the corresponding business partner. Now if we take a look at the Advanced tab, you will be able to select which categories will be included in your search. If you have specific categories you want to see by default, you can check those specific categories and select the Save as My Default Search option at the bottom. The B1 search feature that is a part of the Boyum B1 Usability Package is great for enhancing the capabilities of searching for information in your system. Join us as we help you learn more about what SAP Business One has to offer by clicking the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or SAP support at lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.